Okay, only inweta this video. Allow me to aka share button. Ema na mwa na like I me ife. I akporo uko. Eyotago. I me assessment. Kaimalo ni fa ime na ya ni progress ko. Usually on eme na side ya emekwanye na side ndị Omenala Igbo Ezeaku. But today I want to look at these two people and signify these two different things. I'm not talking about Christianity in general, but I'm talking about Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Zion Ministry, and the Mathias with the Omenala Igbo Ezeaku. Ka iwe mal na mdo ne make progress. I just may waste the time. If a group of people back on your if ncho ka nwolu ha woje ha to Christianity in general. The man or ya own or to say I no near Jakanisi now. A watago. Or to I no near Jakanisi. Bachina carry honoko. A watago. So let me limit it to a particular congregation, namely his Botan soul, namely has press night. Let me point at some realities. Ayapohanisi. Whatever thing they are doing, they should always remember that this reality check is there for them to see. I will start with Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. This is a page in 2.6 million followers. 2.6 million organic followers. Then, rating 4.9. Reviews, 1,835 people. Review go that page. Then, from there, I will go to 19 Mathias. Mathias na Ogunwoke, Germany. Mathias, 179,000 followers, which is not even up to followers. JPAC as a comedian, a Confucianist, and the anywhere beliefist. 179,000 followers. Elwodunke Mathias Ingwelu. Iwatago. Then rating here 4.0. The reviews here though 40 reviews. Go 40 reviews. Then let us go to Sunday service. The live Sunday service in the Omenala Igbo Ezeaku that yesterday. Kaiwe mwalo na ne improvement. Go kaiwe mwalo na ne improvement. Now their Sunday service yesterday. People watch their life because I am a mother. So let us talk about online participation because since Obuna let's go from the ground, do the thing, do that on Facebook. Let us assess the social media performance. Are you na group or not? What I go? More than 12,900 people watch the Sunday service that the GO TD na page yesterday, 320 share here, and 500 commentary, including Keleshi, Waja, Ejike, Chekubefa, Egotago Mamomitrijiha, Egotago comment Hanchani Ledo, Nime Mado 500 and the Mado 895. Likely the similar to some of the posts I may make, even as people cannot. So this is more like a normal page of just a content creator. A content creator like us. Now let us go to Zion Prayer Movement. Their online service but I will only pick two. The first one the first one here 137,000 views, and that was within the first. That one self lasted for. I don't think that one lasted for like 3 hours or 4 hours before we got off. We did another one. Over 137,000 views, over 3,000 shares, then over 10,900 comments. People who and then I claim it, Papa, right on. Then over 14,000 reactions with love and like. Then the second one, out of many, but I just picked these two. The second one, nwelu gosiri only shares which is 11,400 shares. The share this particular one keta, this one keta nwere ike ọwụ na efi keta nke erugo 500,000 na ọwụ na o mepere keta efu views because all ebe ọ na nke mmadụ 3,000 share nwere 137,000 views, nke 14,400 people share 14,000 ahụ for nwa obere ife ọwụrụ 12,000 something watched follow entire service Mathias that yesterday. Now this 4,000 11,400 shares imepe video because I made a view. You go see view this video go say if you na over more than 500,000 to 600,000 I watch you go if you go that program online. Then this one will get 55,100 comments of Ndeleku, amen, amen, amen. What I go now 26,000 reactions. That is times how many the total number of people who watched Mathias yesterday. Makwa na n'ime ndị ahụ watchere ya. Ụfọdụ ukwu ndị na-amụ amụ maka ebe ebe ahụ efu ma laughing emoji. Ịghọtago ịmana mana Ebuka Obi kara ishoki onye ọbụla nọ na that prayer Zion ministry. 90% of them won't participate. 95% because man deputa na Facebook then Ebuka Obi this Christianity this hanchali de na prayer Zion ministry. Go amen. Hallelujah. I claim it for my family. Onwe mgbe screenshot comment about mmadụ 9 mecha sị na ụmụ ha need wepụta na Facebook no ya wee bịa mmadụ na anaka ọ ya wụ ịghọtago. So ọ bụrụ na ịnene this one keta ịfụ na this one keta nwee 3,000 shares nwee 137,000 views is obere ife ka ihe etinye about ebe 30 something thousand or entire followers Mathias nwere ịghọtago. Now Sunday program, night of open heaven, n'abalị. This one night of open heaven. Night of open heaven, 37,000 reactions, like and love, 122,000 comments, and the 24,800 shares. One day. This is just one congregation of people. One. Don't forget that na that yesterday, na ndị redeem na aka ụka, na ndị winners na aka ụka, na ndị mountain of fire na aka ụka, na Lord choosing not too far from Zion here na aka ụka. A whole churches scattered in Igbo and worldwide na aka ụka that yesterday. Don achọ nka njono. Mathias na ndị otu ebe dukunu ya ebido wee gbawa mgba. Ebe dukunu ya ebido wee gbawa mgba. Kedu ndị ụnụ na ha na-agba mgba? Kedu ndị unu doro anya na ndị unu na ha na-agba mgba? Kedu ndị unu na-epreach meseji ya ka m na-ajụ unu? Kedu ndị na-ege meseji si unu na-epreach? Just look at this is just one congregation. This is just one congregation. Now, since now today we have decided to use today as a reality analysis, a what of what we have been doing so far. The next one may go see videos. I want to show you people videos. Performance so far. Mmadụ pụtasị n'ezugo gara na-eriri ule ka mmadụ ndị eriri river ndị eriri mụ na ha eri ka nkụ. So we choose to remain in this group ebe eriri anyị eri karịa ma iso few people ndụkọ unu debere ahụ na onwere ife unu na-eme. Ịghọtago. So I will rather remain with this multitude of people eriri mụ na ha eri. Are you getting me? So I will leave it here. Dalon.
Yes.